this video, we'll cover how to use a balloon ring. We love these balloon rings. They make working with arches and columns so much easier. They come in all of our packages that contain an arch or a column. We've already inflated 4 balloons. You can choose any pattern you want, but the most common one is 2 of the same color and 2 of a different color. The same color balloons will be placed on the opposite side of the ring. This will make a spiral pattern on the columns or arches. To fasten the balloon to the ring, simply take the end of the balloon and slide it through the slit in the ring with the knot on the inside of the ring. Once you've done this for each balloon, you've got a great ring that's ready to go directly on an arch or a column. And the ring also makes it easy to store and manage balloons. Come see all of our tools and collections at rentthebash.com.